Welcome inside. Feel free to explore.
Fire! 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 Die! Wait, that's me. Throws pizza on the ground. You know, I would love to just have this woman just, as soon as someone says that, just pulls out a gun. It's like, please eat the pizza. I'll be safe in the fire, where nobody can hurt me. Oh! Oh, God! Oh!
We should get to sleep now.
No! Oh! Get to your bedrooms for sleep. Go to bed in 30 seconds or you will die. Well, uh-oh.
Oh my God, did you see that?
Yes, but I couldn't properly see what it was. Good morning, children. Are you gonna give us breakfast, idiot? You've been staring at our feet for like 2 minutes. Okay, today we're having pancakes. Wait, will this kill us if we eat it? I'm not even gonna risk it. I want this person to risk it.
Breaking news!
Yesterday, a daycare has been attacked by a big monster. Reports say the child have managed to escape. However, the monster is still on the loose.
We need to talk about the monster. Where could it have gone?
No! The house! Oh my lord! My house! I'm causing a lot of pain today.